Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. So guys, here I have already opened my CapCut application on my PC, and here I have created a project as well. And let's just drag this material first to the timeline. Okay, and if you want to add overlay to your timeline, you can simply import another video to your CapCut project, or you can also access video footage from CapCut. And for me, I'm going to access video footage from CapCut, so we can tap on the library, and I'm going to add this video as overlay, so we can drag this video like this. Okay, and now as you can see that the overlay has been added. If you want to add another video as overlay, you can simply do the same step. And for example, I'm going to add another video, this one. We can drag it. Okay, and now the layer has been created, guys, and if you want to reorder the layer, you can go to the basic right here, and you can scroll down until you find a layer option. This one, you can reorder the layer right here and just select the layer you want to apply. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can create or add overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.